welcome back to Next Page. This is a channel where we turn books into ideas and ideas into better thinking. If you're someone who wants to grow, think clearly, and make better decisions in life, you're in the right place. Today's book is Clear Thinking by Shane Parrish. Let's turn the page. Okay, start now. Most people are not failing because they are stupid. They are failing because they don't think clearly. They react. They rush. They let emotions decide their future. In Clear Thinking, Shane Parrish explains a powerful truth. Success is not about adding more skills. It's about removing what clouds your judgment. This book is about seeing reality as it is, not as your emotions want it to be. What is clear thinking? Clear thinking means making decisions without emotional noise. Most people believe, if I'm smart, I'll make good decisions. But Shane Parrish says, smart people make terrible decisions every day. Why? Because intelligence disappears when emotions take control. Clear thinking is the ability to pause, step back, and choose wisely even when you're angry, scared, excited, or under pressure. Emotions are the real enemy. Your biggest enemy is not lack of opportunity. It's unchecked emotions. Fear makes you avoid growth. Anger destroys relationships. Ego makes you defend bad decisions. Excitement makes you ignore risks. As Shane Parrish says, when emotions are high, intelligence is low. Clear thinkers don't eliminate emotions. They simply don't let emotions drive decisions. Create distance before deciding. One powerful idea in this book is distance. Distance from the problem. Distance from people. Distance from pressure. Distance from emotion. Instead of reacting instantly, clear thinkers slow down. They ask, what is really happening? What am I feeling right now? Would I make the same decision tomorrow? Distance gives clarity. Reaction destroys it. Blind spots control your life. Blind spots are things you don't see, but they control your actions. Overconfidence. Need for approval. Fear of looking stupid. Ego. Shane Parrish explains, your blind spots are more dangerous than your weaknesses. Clear thinkers don't blindly trust their first instinct. They question it. Think long-term, not short-term. Most people choose comfort over growth, pleasure over progress, now over later. Clear thinkers do the opposite. They ask one powerful question. What will this cost me in the future? Short-term pleasure creates long-term pain. Short-term pain creates long-term freedom. Your future is decided by what you tolerate today. Control your environment. Shane Parrish shares a powerful idea. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Clear thinkers don't rely on motivation. They design their environment. They remove distractions. They reduce temptations. They make good choices easy. If your environment is weak, your willpower will eventually fail. Subtract to get clarity. Most people think clarity comes from adding more information, more advice, more opinions. But clarity comes from removal. Remove noise. Remove unnecessary people. Remove useless habits. Remove constant comparison. Less noise creates more focus. Less distraction leads to better thinking. Learn from mistakes without ego. Clear thinkers don't defend their mistakes. They study them. Ego says, it wasn't my fault. Clear thinking asks, what can I learn from this? Mistakes are data. Only ego turns them into failures. Final lesson, rules create freedom. Clear thinkers create rules for their life. Rules reduce stress. Rules save energy. Rules prevent emotional decisions. When decisions are already made, life becomes simpler. Outro closing. Clear thinking won't make life easy, but it will make life honest. When you control your emotions, ego, and environment, you stop reacting to life and start designing it. Think clearly, decide wisely. Your future depends on it.